Hoping you've watched this video in my YouTube channel. Sit back and enjoy.
Now take note, we have measured 30 degrees here and draw a line of 4 cm here, 4 cm here. This block is a transparent block. We can see inside the block, and for us to draw the line of 4 cm here measured at 30 degrees, instead of us to use a protractor, what we just do is this straight line that runs here, you can see is in line with each other. So here is the center, 4 cm, and here is it's just giving us 30 degrees. I don't know if you understand. So we'll just spin at here that's 4 cm. Then we'll draw a thin line here, telling us that there's a wall inside. You can see inside. We'll do same here since it runs inside. At this straight line, here's 8 cm. Here's the center, 4 cm. So we'll draw a thin line. So now we can see the base. This is down part, the base, the floor. I hope you understand. So now we have to use a protractor to draw this up part, the top, and this is the base. So use a protractor to draw it. So now this is telling us that it's transparent. We can see inside. So that's why we have to use this straight line rather than just doing 30 degrees again. I hope you understand. So now this is giving us, this is the left side, this is the right side of the 3D block, this is the opposite side of the left side, and this is the opposite side of the right side. So here now we're having 4 faces, 4 edges. Now telling us this is a transparent block, that is why it's looking this way. I don't know if you do understand. So now we have to draw our circle inside, a cylindrical, our cylinder inside. Now let's watch how we draw it.